Alright, I tried something today. I have this TPU filament, which is flexible. Really flexible. You make phone cases and stuff like that out of it. And look what I printed. Yeah, let me turn the light on. There we go. It come out pretty nice, but exceptions for the edges right here, which I haven't trimmed none of this off. But check it out. It's flexible. I'm gonna go try the fitment, see how it turns out. You know that I don't see that ever breaking. And then if I could refine it for something on the edge, I might be able to fix that. See how I can make that. Only thing is, I only have one roll to color this, but this is straight off the print, no color or anything. Let me clean it up, I'll show you another shot. Okay, cleaned her up a little bit, trimmed the edges, but I could fix that. This is just a test print to see how it goes, but I just think it's impressive how it's just flexible. Man, that really, and you can make phone cases. Watch this. And it'll go right back. Man, it's just got me thinking about different ideas. Yeah. In 200 degrees temperature, so it prints so smooth. Let's see if I can focus in a little bit. Yeah, anyway, there we go. See it? Like that. And if I would flex it like this, even all the little tabs on here, watch this, they won't break off. This is TPU filament, which it costs more, but I don't even know how this is going to secure into the door. I'm going to check it out tomorrow if it ain't too bad weather, which I'm sure it is. But anyway, I'll keep y'all posted. Thanks for watching. Y'all like the videos, and this will be on my YouTube, so if y'all want to follow and subscribe, that would be awesome.